Hello dear students, let's study about the precipitation reaction. The type of reaction in which two atoms or group of atoms or two ions displace each other from their compound and produce at least one insoluble product. Such reaction is called precipitation reaction. Water insoluble substance formed during double displacement reaction is also called precipitate. So this is the definition for precipitate, that water insoluble substance formed during double displacement reaction is called precipitate. We have already studied one precipitation reaction, so we'll study the example and we'll come to know. When aqueous solution of barium chloride BaCl2 aqueous and sodium sulfate Na2SO4 aqueous are mixed together, they produce water, which is an insoluble barium sulfate BaSO4 solid and aqueous solution of sodium chloride NaCl aqueous. You can see here we take barium chloride aqueous solution and sodium sulfate aqueous solution. So we get barium sulfate solution and sodium chloride solution. This is the white precipitates of barium sulfates are produced. You will see the activity and you will come to know about this reaction. When aqueous solution of lead nitrate PbNO3 twice aqueous and potassium iodide Ki aqueous are mixed, yellow precipitates of lead 2 iodide are produced and aqueous solution of potassium nitrate is produced. So you know PbNO3 twice aqueous, it reacts with 2 Ki potassium iodide aqueous. So we will get the yellow precipitates of PbI2 solid and we will get the aqueous solution of potassium nitrate aqueous. So this is the yellow precipitates that we get here, and we can say that this reaction is a precipitation reaction. This is also double displacement reaction. Now let us understand how these reactions are double displacement. You can see barium here is bonded with chlorine. So barium is there with chlorine, sodium is there with sulfate. But if you look at the product, this barium combines with SO4 and this sodium combines with Cl. You can see that barium is combined with SO4 and sodium is combined with chlorine. So this is how we can understand that the product is formed and we can explain this reaction. So if we really want to understand it this way, you can you can show it with some colored pen. See this barium combined with SO4 to give you BaSO4. Same way, sodium combines with chlorine and gives you, let us use some other pen if possible. This sodium combines with chlorine and gives you sodium chloride. So this is how you can understand the displacement or double. This is displacement but two time. So two atoms or group of atoms displaces each other from their compounds, and that is why we call it double displacement. You can see here this NO3 combines with K and produces KNO3. Same way, this Pb combines with I and thus produces PbI2. So this is how we can understand the displacement, and this displacement we consider it as a double displacement reaction. I hope my dear students you can understand this double displacement reaction, and this reaction is also precipitation reaction because some solid substance is produced. This solid substance which is produced is water insoluble, and as it is water insoluble they are called precipitates, and this such reaction is known as the precipitation reaction. Here in this case you will get the white precipitates, and here in this case you will get the yellow precipitates. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying. Happy learning.